guys, so my first in-person quarter just ended. I know. This is exciting. Everything went by so fast. I was not expecting it. And I wanted to give you guys a room tour because I kind of promised it and it kind of never happened. I'm so sorry. A lot has been going on with just projects and just first quarter things, just getting settled in and understanding how things happen. So now I am alone in my dorm at the moment. My roommates actually already went home. I am staying here for 2 more days, a day and a half. So I am alone. I'll give you guys a tour. Sorry about the mess. Everyone was just packing and leaving and I have to start to pack. Oh no, I have to pack to go back home. Not that I don't want to see my family and friends, I do. It's just that I really enjoy being here. So I'll give you guys a quick tour and I hope you like it. Okay, so here is our front door. So you basically come in through here and you see our little kitchen area. We're actually not allowed to have that. Let's pretend we don't. You can rent a microwave and a fridge. Because we were living like 4 people here, we have 2, so because it does not fit much. Okay, so this is the first thing you see when you come in. Then this is our living area. You get 2 couches, a coffee table, and these other little tables, side tables here. And then this is me. Sorry about the trash I have to take out. We have 2 different bedrooms, one here and another one there, and 2 bathrooms. So I share a bathroom with my roommate, and my other 2, like my suite mate and my other 2 roommates share their other bathroom. And it's really comfortable here. It's one of the best dorms they have. It's not like the best location, but it's great and comfortable, and you can create like a good area for you to study and do your projects. We'll be studying here a lot. Not because the tables are bad, they're good, but sometimes I just want to be comfortable, so I come here. I'm sorry about the mess. I have to start packing, so it's been kind of crazy. My roommates pack their things, so it's usually have some more things going on around here. But yeah, it's really comfortable. I hope you guys liked it. This is probably not the dorm room you'll be in your in your freshman year. Here at SCAD, they have dorms designated for freshmen, or at least it's more likely for you as a freshman to go there. But since everything was online before and I only got to come here in my sophomore year, I ended up in a different room and I love it. I really like this room. I really like my neighbors. You get to make many different friends. We have a Red Taylor's version art on the wall. My roommate really likes Taylor Swift. So it's just really exciting, and I hope you guys liked it and you guys are feeling more excited to come here like I felt when I was watching videos about the dorms. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and stay hydrated.